have a beautiful, beautiful stitch. We're calling it lace arrows. Isn't that pretty? So anyway, I'm using one size larger needles than what the yarn calls for. This is a number 4 worsted yarn. These are number 9 US needles, which is the same as 5.5 millimeters. Now this is a 20 row repeat, but rows number 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, all the even number rows are purl, except the first and the last. And it is a multiple of 8 plus 3. That means if I do 8 times 4 would be 32, plus 3 would be 35, and then I'm adding 1 on each side for the edges. And that would mean 37. Okay, so let's go with row number 1. You cast on your stitches any way you wish, just regular cast on. So see, this is the long tail cast on, so do that. All right, a lot of people prefer. So immediately after you cast on your stitches, you start with your row number 1, which is you're going to knit the first and the last. So there we go. And then you're going to knit 1, yarn over, and slide, slide, and knit. Now this is where the repetition starts. You're going to knit 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yarn over, slide, slide, and knit, and that is it. You repeat that all the way to the end. And so let's do that again. So you're going to knit 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yarn over, slide, slide, and knit. And I'll see you when I get to the last row. So I'm at the end of row number 1. Slide, slide, and knit. And the last one I knit. All the even number rows are knit 1 at the beginning and at the end, and the rest of them, the rest of the stitches you purl. So neat. You don't have to worry about those. Okay, so row number 3. You're going to knit 1, which is the edge 1, and you're going to knit 2 and yarn over. This is where the repetition starts. You knit 2, and now you pass those 2 stitches together knitwise, knit the next stitch, and the 2 stitches that you pass them over that last one together. Now knit 2, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, and then you repeat the same thing, which is knit 2, pass those 2 stitches together, knit 1, pass them over, knit 2, and yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, and we repeat that we knit 2 and pass those 2 stitches, knit 1 stitch and pass the 2 stitches over the last one. Oops, let's see. Okay, knit 2, yarn over, knit 1 and yarn over. So let's do that again. Knit 2, pass those 2 stitches together, knit 1, pass those 2 over the last one, knit 2, this is the end, so you knit 2, yarn over, knit 2 and knit 1. And row number 4 is the same as you knit the first and the last one, and all the other ones you purl. So row number 5 is the same as row number 3. You're going to knit 1 because that's the edge one, and then knit 2 and yarn over. So this is the repetition. Knit 2, pass those 2 stitches together, knit 1 and pass those 2 stitches over the last one, knit 2, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over. And that is the repetition. You go all the way to the end, and remember that you end with knit 2 and then knit the last one. So I'm at the end of row number 5. Just so I can remind you what to do here, you're going to, these are the last 10 stitches, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And once you do your yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, which is part of the repetition, you're going to end with knit 2, pass 2, knit 1, pass those 2 over, knit 2, yarn over, knit 2 and knit the last one. And row number 6, you know what it is. Knit the first and the last one, and the other stitches you purl. Row number 7 is the same as 3 and 5. So let's do this. You start with a knit 1 because you always do, and then knit 2 and yarn over, and this is where the repetition starts. Knit 2, pass 2, knit 1 and pass those 2 over the last stitch, knit 2, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, and that's, you repeat that until the last 10. And remember, the last 10 are knit 2, knit 3 stitches together, knit 2, yarn over, knit 2 and knit the last stitch. Row number 9, the same as 3, 5 and 7. So let's do that. So knit 1, knit 2, yarn over. This is where the repetition starts. You knit 2, pass those 2 stitches together, knit 1 and pass those stitches over. And this is sometimes what I mean by knit 3 together, but you know, it's pass 2, knit 1 and pass the 2 over the last one. And now knit 2, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over. And so you repeat that, and then you end the last 10 with knit 2, knit 3 together, which means pass 2, knit 1, pass the 2 over the last one, and then knit 2, yarn over, knit 2, and knit the last one. Row number 11. Now this is a little bit different because it divides one feather or arrow from the other. So you see, because they're alternated. Okay, so you knit the first one and the last one, knit 3, and this is where the repetition starts. You're going to knit 2, yarn over, slide, slide, and knit 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's do that again. Knit 2, yarn over, slide, slide, and knit 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You do that all the way to the end. So let's do that again. Knit 2, yarn over, slide, slide, and knit 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So again, knit 2, yarn over, slide, slide, and knit 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and knit the edge one. And row number 12 is the same as all the other even number rows. Knit the first and the end and the last, and all the other stitches you purl. Okay, so rows number 13, 15, 17, and 19 are all the same. So let's do this. You're going to knit the first one and the last, and then knit 1 and knit 2 stitches together, knit 1. This is where the repetition starts. Knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 2, pass 2, knit 1, and pass the 2 over the last one, and knit 1. So let's do that again. Knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 2, pass 2, knit 1, and these 2 go over the last one, and knit 1. So knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 2, pass these 2 stitches together, knit 1, pass them over, and knit 1. And you're going to end, so we have 2, 4, 6, 8 stitches. Remember that this one is not part of the repetition or the pattern because it's the edge one. So you're going to end with knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 2, slide, slide, and knit 1. And now you knit the edge 1. See, at the beginning you did the knit 2 together right here, and here you do slide, slide, knit. So row number 14 is the same, you purl. Row number 15 is the same, you knit 1, you start with knit 1, knit 2 stitches together, and knit 1. And the repetition is the same, let's do it. Knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 2, pass those 2, knit 1 and pass the 2 over the last one, and knit 1. So you repeat that all the way to the end, and remember that you end with knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 2, slide, slide, knit 1, and then you knit the last one, which is it's the same thing as row number 13. Row 17 is the same as 13 and 15. That means you knit 1 and knit 2 stitches. No, that's the edge 1. You knit 1 and then knit 2 stitches together and knit 1. And this is where the repetition starts. You knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 2 stitches, pass those 2, knit 1, and the 2 that you passed go over that last one and knit 1. And so you repeat that until you have 8 stitches left. Once you have your 8 stitches left, you knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 2, slide, slide, knit 1, and then knit the edge 1. Row number 19 is the same as 13, 15, 17. So knit 1, knit 1, knit 2 stitches together, and knit 1. And this is where the repetition is. You knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 2, pass 2, knit 1, pass those 2 over, and knit 1. And you repeat that all the way to the end of the row. Yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 2, and then on the way back you knit the first and the last one, and the rest of them you purl. And I'll see you when I finish that. And there you have it. This will look very nice for a table runner. You do need to kind of block it in order to show the yarn overs. This is very pretty stitch. Thank you for watching. Share us with your friends and like our page and subscribe. I'll take some pictures of it, and I'll see you next time.